Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c: and hit enter. Then type cd c: / and hit enter. Now type cd Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *.* backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *.* backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy *.* and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd c: / and hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit /export c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd c: / and hit enter. Now type this md boot and hit enter. Type cd boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md bcd. Type cd c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib c: /boot /bcd -h -r -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren c: /boot /bcd bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.